Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my first Fashionphile bag. Now I have purchased from Fashionphile before, but it was never a handbag. So I'm going to go ahead right into it and start opening it. I'm going to show you guys the box, but it's very little, which I was surprised by, which is worrisome. And this is when you open it, you get some confetti. The box says Fashionphile, and you get a receipt, which I'm going to be using to tell you guys what I got and the information about it. And okay, it's on there. I also got a nail file that says I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. And a lot of confetti. And taking out the box. Just wrapped in some paper. Used is the new. We'll see. Okay, and one thing to mention, this came with this dust bag because upon getting it, it did say that it didn't mention that it had a dust bag, so this is kind of what I expected, a Fashionphile dust bag. It's so tiny. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, guys. So this is the bag that I got. And just upon looking at it, it's kind of smaller than like a normal camera bag. So it is a mini camera bag. So I think it's different enough to keep, actually. And this comes with this Fashionphile tag, and it says certificate of authenticity, and it tells you all this information. And of course, let's see. And the only thing that it was supposed to come with is a strap, and there is a strap for it. Let me show you up close. This is what it's looking like. There is a mark on the bag which does not bother me, and slight mark here. The corners and everything are perfect. Everything is perfect with this leather. It's very beautiful. From what I can see, it's only those two marks, and maybe I can get rid of that with over time with some leather cleaner. And this is the inside of the bag. Inside of the bag here, it has, I don't like doing this to bags, it has the Fendi thing there. It's a navy blue color inside. And yeah, it has this color matching trim. Let me see. And it does not have a bad smell. It smells just like leather. And I am going to take some leather cleaner to this. But I really do like this. It's so small. I wish I had my other camera bag with me to kind of compare, to show you guys how much smaller this may be than that one. Okay, but just for reference, this is called the Fendi Vitello Century Stamp Patch Mini Camera Case. So it's a big name. It says the original price was $13.50 when it came out, and Fashionphile listed it at $8.50, which I did not pay $8.50 for this tiny bag. I actually waited till it went on sale, so when I got it, it was about 10% off the price that they were asking. So the discount came up to $255, and with tax, the $38.68, the total came out to $633.68, and that is how much I ended up paying for this bag. So it's roughly about 45% that I got off of the retail price, and it was listed as very good condition, but I think it's a little bit more than very good, and I'm probably thinking they listed it as that because it only came with the strap. I mentioned, this did not come with the dust bag, an original dust bag, so that kind of probably knocked money off. Because they do have one on there listed like this, but it's black and same color, and this is red, and it's a lot more expensive than this one. And it does come with a box and a dust bag. So yeah, this is the end of my video. If you guys have any questions, let me know about this bag. But one more thing I did forget to tell you guys, shipping came pretty quick. I know I spoke with one of the representatives. She was saying that they kind of have like a backlog, maybe in California or New Jersey. So I think it was New Jersey. Um, so this was going to take a little bit longer. So it ended up, they shipped this out on Monday and I ended up getting it Thursday. And usually they guarantee a 2-day shipping. So a few days later, it wasn't a big deal. I'm not ready to wear it yet or anything. So, but that's kind of how it was with the shipping. Yeah, but that's the only information I have on this bag. I will be cutting the tag and I will be keeping it. It's so pretty. I love the color. Um, yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And thumbs up if you like this bag. I absolutely love this bag. Um, it has a little pop of color. Usually with my bags, I'm not too adventurous. I'm usually like a neutral person. But yeah, it's giving me very much spring vibes for sure. But I'm sure I can wear this at any time. But yeah, rate, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.